Hey, what's up guys? Now in this video tutorial I'm going to teach you how to make a fruit icon, and this is actually I'm going to experiment of making simplest and minimalist style. So it is a circle, normal circle here. You can increase or decrease the stroke size from this. If you scroll down or to scroll out, scroll up, you can see this is increase or decreasing this particular stroke size. So let's start from scratch. So definitely it's icon of apple. So this side and this side, it's going in. So what I'm going to do here, just need this thing and this one. For this one I'm going to use this anchor point, so this one. Now for this side, what I'm going to do, just taking up and smoothify this side. For smoothing this side, smooth, create smooth, creating smooth, some smooth strokes, smoothify this strokes here. So now this point I'm holding this, you can see this is some anchor points, or let's say some handle. You can move this handle, down here, move this anchor, and see at this point you can move like this, sorry, not like this, holding alt, and so this trick is not applicable here. I'm not going to do this trick. Now I'm going to get a new trick. There's a simple strokes here. Now I'm going to make a simple stroke here. Now F5. So you have to do lots of trick for making something extra dangerous. So it's fixed. So now see objections here. See, you need to fix this side from this side and this side. Okay, and now this is for between this part. This part, and now copy pasted font. Now transform, reflect. Okay, now joining everything, you can see this happening here. So this outer place of this outer surface, outer strokes of this pill. So now this part we need to join this part. So for joining clearly, what we can do, deleting some extra things from here. So it is point out nicely this. So we need to see, uh, now I'm zoom out from the side. Okay, now nice, this part should be like this, little bit of inside, little bit of inside, then it's looks like some natural food. But when you are making some logo or some icon, that's you have to decrease or increase simultaneously. So I'm just cutting down this one with the help of this Pathfinder tool. Okay, so it's a Pathfinder tool. Now delete this extra part. Now copy paste it font. Now transform, reflect it. Okay, you can mirror this image also. This is another part. But today we're going to do this apple simultaneously, two parts, equal two parts. Okay, now put the brush again, uh, and something like this, strokes, and now put it center, and I'm going to use this one, hit alt and put it like this, like this. So now from this side drag it something like this for perspective view. Now it's okay, it this one is fine, and you can do this one thing, it is fixed actually. So what we can do here, cancel it, for round this everything, we can not do, we can just make a pen stroke like this, pen stroke, pen stroke. So now from here I'm just increasing this stroke size, and this is on. Will escape, escape, and now after escaping, just close it up like this. So it's something like this option. Okay, nice. Okay, now delete this thing. One thing we need to do, just for this one, this color. Okay, this is one color. Now this side is a shadow side, so for making shadow, well, with the help of pen tool, with the help of pen tool, thus making shadow, hit alt. Okay, now a little bit of 5 or 6%, 5% is okay. So now selecting all of this thing, after selecting, I'm using this shape builder tool, hit alt. Now see this option. Now copy pasted font, after copy pasted font, selecting this one and hit no fill, after no fill, and this is up. So here our first step is completed. Now After this, I need to do one thing for making the branch, and here I'm also going to do this trick. Okay, a little bit of bend like this. Okay, and this one. Okay, I'm just hiding this part, just trying to hide this part. Okay, sorry, it's I'm not going to do this. Just with the help of this tool, just with the help of this tool. And here also one thing you need to do, no strokes. Okay, now with the help of this, just escape and just escape, putting a point. I need to put a point here, so sorry about this. I need to put a point. So from this point you can clearly see there's a little bit of handle occur here. So this intentionally doing mistake or teaching you something new. Okay, so the apple is ready, and I'm just going to make it some thicker, more thicker. And now this one also the same strokes, so no, just go this 62. It's a very good amount of thick portion. Now one thing we need to do here, just delete this part. This part is not looking not very good. Okay, and this one, deleting this part, this part. Okay, not looking very good here. So now it looks better. Now this one is a little bit of straight. Now, okay, now hold it and put it here. It is almost done. Now with the help of this pen tool, I'm going to make a stroke here and this point. Now this stroke should be white. This is no white section. Now it's maybe it's like that, more round. Okay, a little bit of portions will make some perspective angle. So this is, put a circle, this circle also white. Okay, now put this circle here, this circle here, and our apple making process is completed. So very nice to see this apple. So please subscribe this channel, and if you think this video tutorial is very helpful, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you very much for watching.